Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I need to divide both sides by dx. Next, we need to put y equals to vx. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. First derivative of v, we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by x. First derivative of x, we have number 1, and we have dx over dx, and we have v. And this is about the product rule of derivative. This one we simplify, and we have number 1, and we have number 1. So this one we change for this one. Y we change for vx. Next, s multiplied by this one and v. Now we need to simplify vs. So we just have s squared plus v squared s squared, and this one. Next, we need to simplify s squared, and s squared. So we have like this. Now, I will put dv over dx go to the right. So I will put dx go to the left. 1 plus v squared go to the right. And now I will put the integration for the both sides. The integration of dx, that is about s. This one, that is about octane of v. And I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.